Welcome to Card Designers channel. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you. In this tutorial, I will explain how to transfer the data from Excel sheet to AutoCAD without any program. Here we have around 52 manhole, around 52 or 51 manhole. We want to draw it here in the drawing without any program. Very easy. What we will do, we will use one formula called concatenate. Click here, select easting, cancel. Here we have easting northing. We'll use this formula concatenate, select easting first, then type here comma, then select northing. Okay, then pull this one up to the end, copy this column, open AutoCAD file, copy this block from center, go to command line and paste, then zoom, extend to see this manhole. It was drawn on original coordinate. Now in the second part we want to make polyline from each manhole to another manhole, from upstream to downstream. Separate polyline from upstream to downstream for all this manhole. We will use the Excel sheet. Here we have upstream easting northing, downstream easting northing, and here we will type BL, which it will be command line polyline. Okay, we'll use the same formula concatenate. Okay, select first the command, which it will be draw the polyline from manhole to manhole, BL, then space. Okay, then we will select first easting, comma, then first northing, then here space, again second easting, comma, second northing, second northing, then space, because this is space actually for the next line, it was continue. Okay, then we will fold this one up to down. Here we will remove in the last one we will remove this space, this two semicolon we will remove, no need this one. Then copy, one particular drawing, then paste here in command line, paste, see, then escape. Thank you. welcome to Card Designer channel. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.